Now, this is called a turtle stance exercise. We're beginning in this position, which is called praying mantis. Breathe in, forward onto all fours, and then breathe out, push forwards a bit, so your shoulders go a bit further than your hands. Breathe in, breathe out, and then lift your hips up. Breathe in, and breathe out. In, out. In, out. In, out. Now with the extension to the exercise, we're going to go a bit further, so it's just normal breathing. Don't hold the extreme position, remember, and feeling for the muscle changes. Forwards, and then you push as far forward as you can, look up, and then lifting the hips up, and then take your head down towards your legs. And then back to praying mantis stance. Once again, look up, and then looking down towards your legs.